So today I want to talk to you guys about why it is important to have bookkeeping. And I know this is like the holy grail. I feel like people don't know why it's important to have bookkeeping, especially in the trucking industry. So I'll go ahead and start my spiel. My name is Maishree Rose, my name is Maishree Rose, your trucker's accountant, helping you to navigate your way through taxes and bookkeeping. Okay, so why is it important to have bookkeeping? My first question to everyone that's watching is, how much money did you make last year? Like legit make. And I'm not talking about what you grossed, how much you have put in. How much money did you net after all expenses, after everything came in, went out? How much money did you make? Well, if you had a bookkeeping system, those things are right there at your fingertips because you've been putting it in. You've been maintaining your account. And there's different software programs out there. Ring. You can use. My phone was ringing. I forgot to put it on Do Not Disturb. Let me put that on Do Not Disturb. Hold on. Okay, so back to the topic. Bookkeeping. Okay, so there's a lot of apps out here that you can use to keep track of your books. And I know a lot of truckers be like, yeah, I got all my receipts. There's apps where you can streamline that and you can have all of your receipts. And that's when you sit down on your resets. And on your resets, you go and you do your bookkeeping. It's very important to get it done so that you're able to see where you're going, what businesses, what expenses are coming out the most money. I had a trucker where we set up his accounts. He got everything together. We were able to go through what percentages was coming out. And he was like, I always thought that he had the most money coming out for maintenance. And I know a lot of you guys think maintenance is a lot of money. I'm not even going to negate that maintenance is a lot of money. But this particular guy, a lot of his money was coming out with the cost of goods. Cost of goods are just the business cost for you to do business with someone. So people who are signed on to carriers, you always think, oh, well, I don't want to take care of that. I'll let them take care of that. But he was like, to see that I have over 40% coming out to my carrier, not the 25%, and it was 25%, but after you add on all of those other maintenance costs and all that, it came out to about 40%. So it prompted him to start looking for different ways, different avenues. So that's what bookkeeping does, guys. It's not like, it helps you to see the whole picture, see the whole synopsis. If I'm spending $2,000-$4,000 a month on this expense, hey, how can I, if you don't know if you're not spending the money on the expense, how do you know you need to change it? If I'm spending, like I said, $2,000-$3,000 on, I don't know, what do you guys pay for food? If you're seeing that you're spending that much money, how do you know to go back and reevaluate? You need to now maybe cook food on your truck for 2-3 days instead of eating out. How do you know that? If you're spending a lot of money on, I guess, appliances, or not appliances, what is something that truckers spend money on? Maybe truck washes. You spend a lot of money on truck washes. How do you know how much money you're spending on truck washes? But if you're doing your bookkeeping, you know how much money you spend on truck washes. You can be proactive about it. And then you can change, okay, so instead of getting 5 or 6 washes, maybe I do 2 washes a month. Or, that place I was going to, that doesn't really make sense for me to go to that because they're charging a lot of money for it. You're purchasing your truck equipment. I have a lot of people who, you think because your carrier is taking the truck equipment out, you're fine and you're good to go. But they don't realize that they spent over $2,000 on their flatbed equipment when you could have just saved the money up and purchased it at a lower rate. But, carriers tend to do that sometimes. They charge a higher rate for them to be able to take it out of your check. So these are the things that bookkeeping helps you to wrap your head around and to plan around and be strategic about it. So, guys, I'm super excited just to talk to you guys and give you information. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me a DM. Give me your information. I can hop on a 15-minute free consultation with you just to assess your situation and see what's going on. I have also created a truck driver's a truck driver's business accelerator, and I walk through and tell you exactly how to do your bookkeeping, how to maintain it, how to set it up so that you're able to see the health of your business, because you really do need to see where your business is going, where it's been. Ooh, I did that last year, I don't want to do that this year. Ooh, I had this employee, and was it worth the $30,000 you pay her? No, maybe not. Maybe you need to switch it up. Maybe you need to change how the job description is. So I have the big bookkeeping strategies and modules in my truck driver business accelerator. Click the link below. You can find more information out about it. I'm super excited about it. We're doing a pre-sale right now of $47. When I tell you that, it's huge, because all of the products that's offered into this module is over thousands of dollars worth of product. So $47 now. It's normally at $197. So I want you guys to go get in, get this information, get on the right foot, get on the right track. Even if you are a company driver that's just starting off, or a driver who doesn't quite know or grasp what's going on, grasp it. I'm giving the industry secrets. Just grasp it and take it and run with it. Okay, so until next time, that is all I have to say. Again, if you have any questions, any help, any tax questions, any bookkeeping questions, it's a link below. Hit me up. Let me know what the questions are. Again, my name is Maishree Rhodes. I am the Trucker's Accountant, helping you to navigate your way through taxes. See you next Wednesday, 10 a.m.